Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to track my daughter's iPhone location. First of all, go to settings, tap on your name, tap on Find My iPhone and make sure to turn on Find My iPhone option from here. Then open a browser and type iCloud.com and sign in into your iCloud account here. Then tap on this icon here. Tap on Find My. Here you will get a list of all the linked devices to that iCloud account. From this menu, select the target device. In no time, its exact location will be displayed on the screen. That's how you will be able to find your daughter's iPhone location. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.